Commerce and Industry, other dignitaries in the dais, friends from media, my colleagues in the audience, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great day in the history of Goa Chamber of Industry and Commerce. In the sense, they have brought trade, industry and the department together under one platform to hold this seminar. I am very glad to be part of this program. I am equally glad seeing the response from the trade and industry, from the department, and from others. I am also equally glad to visit this premises, as Mr. Raiker said, a maiden visit. Of course, when I came here, they paid the courtesies, but I'm sorry I couldn't return the courtesies so far. Today is the occasion for me to return it back to Mr. Raiker and his colleagues here, and I wish them all the best in their endeavors from hereafter. As he said, we had the department and the trade has got excellent relations, and the department has shown very proactive approach in resolving the disputes or the grievances of the trade and industry. I am glad to know from none other than your president himself, Mr. Raiker. Yes, there are certain issues which are still pending and could not be addressed. We need some time. Now, coming back to today's event, as you all know, that we changed the direction of tax collection in services with effect from July. Earlier, we were following positive list approach, and exactly opposite we started doing with effect from July this year. That is a negative list concept. This is really a new approach to taxation of services, and rightly we have taken that as a theme for today's seminar. It's very simple to follow. It has got the potential to give the government a lot of revenue. At the same time, it has the capability of expanding the tax base. In Goa presently, we have about 6,000 registrants paying about 390 crores. Last year, we collected that much. This year's our target is almost 500 crores. A very tall task this year, considering the mining problem. It affected so many sectors. Port service has gone down, transport of goods by inland waterways gone down, GTA gone down, like that, so many services. See, you now understand the importance of mining for Goa. It's almost their bread and butter. I don't know when the dust settles. The earlier the better, I wish that way. After introduction of this new concept, everywhere we have seen explosion of registrations and revenues. But in Goa somehow it has not kicked off. Maybe Goans are looking at the new measure in a relaxed way, as they are known for relaxing, for quite a number of time in a day. This is basically the reason why we wanted to organize this seminar, so that the tax measure can be taken forward to the doorsteps of the SSCs and service providers. It also helps the departmental officials to understand certain nitty-gritty involved in the implementation of the new measure. I hope that the seminar should address these issues and make this concept more popular, so that everyone who is coming in the arena of providing services and charging takes registration, pays the taxes. We have mounted a lot of advertisement campaign on this. This is part of that, the seminar. I'll be glad if I could see the results at least by February, the form of registrations and increase in the number of registrations and in terms of revenue. As I said, when they gave me a target of 500 crores, by that time mining problem started. And the transport of goods by inland waterway is covered under negative list. In one stroke, that particular measure has taken out about 50 crores from the kitty of the commissionerate. We had a lot of revenue was coming from that. We asked for revision of the target after seeing that measure, but it's not considered so far. We are putting a brave face, though we know that we cannot touch the goalpost, but still, this is the way we live in the department. I'll touch one or two issues Mr. Raikar raised before handing over to Mr. Kennedy further. This RAC matter, yes, earlier Commissioner was organizing RAC meetings here, but suddenly board changed the concept and they had given the power to Chief Commissioners. Earlier Chief Commissioner told me that since response from Goa is lukewarm for the RAC at Pune, he wants to organize a mini RAC here exclusively for Goa trade and industry, so that it will be convenient for them to participate and get their grievances redressed. But unfortunately, before I could put that in place, he has been transferred out. I have not taken up with the present Chief Commissioner. Moreover, even in Pune RAC also, there are no points from Goa consistently. That gives me satisfaction that my trade and industry doesn't have any grievance and any procedures or any issues. But still, interaction has got its own magic. When you see tax official, you may get an idea to talk to him on any issue. So that edge you are losing. I assure you from this podium that I'll take up this again and see that an RAC, at least on a rotation, is held here. So this may take some time, but let me assure you on this that we'll definitely go ahead and propose and get also a RAC meeting held at least once in a year. Tax complaints in Goa, he said, generally Goans don't like to evade. I appreciate that. But the thing is, why there is no response to the new measure? Can I take it that way, that we have reached saturation, no further registrations, because everyone is covered? It's a big question mark. I don't know. This is a problem with the new tax measure. It has become difficult for the departmental officers also to find out as to where the service is rendered and where tax is not paid. It requires a lot of collation of data from other departments, and lot of physical verifications. I have some problems about the human resources. I am not in a position to address that. But I thought the measures like this, if they are taken to the general public, perhaps people may take note of the matter and come forward. The tax compliance is so high in Goa, I am the first person to be happy with. As a tax collector, I don't want anything more than that. Otherwise, my job becomes difficult. You will be having sleepless nights. So this, I think, I addressed the issues Mr. Iyer raised. I leave it at that point. Coming to the main issue, I request all of you to participate in this seminar wholeheartedly, through the points. I assure you that most of your points will be answered here. Mr. Kennedy is here, he's a tax expert. In fact, he designed that product, this product of negative list. So it's his baby, he'll be able to handle it. Make use of his services. I'm glad he has readily agreed to address this gathering and make a presentation and be holding interactive session also. I request media, friends present here, take the proceedings of this seminar forward, give wide publicity in your newspapers, both local as well as national news, so that people take note of it and participate in the tax collection process. With these few words, I would like to thank Goa Chamber of Commerce for making such a wonderful arrangement for this seminar. I thank personally